Khubor kibabnya Nongialam Jong keseng TMC Dr. Mukul Sangma ulakam yalade banlong Nongialam Jong ke Liang Pyrshah hakayeng dorbar thauan ke jela kani kalami adien ke jing no kam jong MLA keseng Congress Ronovi Lingdo na ka kambat ke jing kesan jong ya keseng TMC lampang kayeng dorbar thauan ke jela Thomas A Sangma ulapen scam ya ke jing no kam iba Roni Lingdo Bat kejing bon pa jong ke TMC ke pemerintah Kyrdan henriong mut ringkat kejing kersan jong Nongialam keseng Congress. Lampang ladap ban kemi bnia ya kani kejing kambat unsa penasyan ya karai. Hakawai pat kaliang ke TMC ruk ladap ban ya kejing kersan ke jong kaya MLA keseng Congress na kebentar ke Kyrdan Chief Whip jong kaliang Pyrshah.
I received a resignation letter from Roni Lingdo as leader of the opposition, and at the same time, he had come with a letter of support to TMC also. So, Dr. Mukul Sangma, as a leader of the TMC party, had stake claim to the post of leader of opposition. I have received a letter with the support of one lone Congress MLA and 5 TMC members in the House, so their strength has gone up to 6.
Since we felt there was a need that the post of fellow should not be left vacant, because as I said, it's not only in the House, but then have certain committees where the yellow is part of that committee. For example, like I cited the example of State Security Commission. Now that is a very, very important commission. So we felt the need that there should be, representation from the opposition.
Sembut Menteri Rampak Kejelau